cups of flour, and we're going to add 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons ground ginger, 1 teaspoon cloves, and half teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon salt to the mixture. Add all the spices to the flour and then mix. I'm going to use 1.5 cup packed brown sugar and 2 sticks of butter, or 2 sticks of butter equals to 1 cup of butter. Make sure the butter is at room temperature. I'm just gonna mix it together and then use the mixer to cream the butter and sugar together. Scrape down the sides. Then I'm going to add my eggs. One teaspoon vanilla. So I'm going to use 2 teaspoons vanilla instead. It's 2 teaspoons vanilla. And on low speed, I'm going to mix in the flour mixture. Add the rest of the flour mix until everything is combined. It looks so good too. I'm going to separate it in half. Smells amazing. Need to 1/4 inch thick, and I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 1 hour to chill before we start cutting our cookies.